guys, this is Ash on YouTube here. So what we're doing is a puzzle box. So here it is. So, put that through there. There's your key. And shake this thing out. And shake it out. And you got this. And then, you're going to get your key. Slide it through. Then, you're going to push the key out. And see the little thing blocking it, so it can't go through. But if you flip it upside down, put your key upside down, then it'll be like that. And yeah, and you put your prize right in there. Oops, it fell out. You put the prize right in there, and right there. Sorry guys, but there's not going to be a tutorial for this. And as well, hit that like button, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this puzzle box video. So goodbye.